full boost, and nice to see the AFR sitting at 11.5. We were sideways back there. Hey everybody, Matt here, Hollywood's Garage. Today's the day we're gonna get the turbo out for its first drive. Hopefully we make it far there in the driveway, which is currently blocked by my truck. And the car is still on jack stands. Other than that, I got my boot in from the last video. My boot's now installed. And now it's ready to roll. So let me just, we'll get the hood off, we'll get the truck moved, we'll get all the accessories and stuff around cleaned up. I might have put air in the tires because it has been sitting all winter. So let me just get this ready on the ground and you'll be back. There we go. Got her off the jack stands, truck's moved, rain dried up. Let's give it a start. Also got air in the tires, just the one front right was the lowest. And we're rocking with the hood off. Okay. Gotta turn our speedometer on. Let's get some lard, or start it up, warm it up, I guess. Self-learning around 175, so we'll let that climb. Meanwhile, we'll do a walk around outside, make sure there's no leaks or nothing. Oil pressure still, what, 54-ish? This gauge doesn't hook, it's not hooked up yet. It was on the old small block Chevy. I just never either hooked it up or found a new something to put there. I might put a boost gauge there now though. I mean, it does read it there, but around since I drove it that I kind of forget how it drives. I got the high stall, a 3600 stall in it, so I'm so used to diesel where you tap and she goes. And it's still self-tuning, so. But temp's doing good. We hit 0 on the boost and a little throttle blip there. Vibration in the car because I think it's that exhaust. It's right on the cross member. I did that to keep it up and above, but I'm going to pull over and take a look and see how everything's looking. Exhaust is super low, so I'll have to keep that in mind. There we go. That was floored. I was on the red line. So we were at full boost, and nice to see the AFR sitting at 11.5. We were sideways back there. To get some fuel, we're at half a tank. Sharp corner, she cuts out. I don't really have a proper tank for it, so get some more 93. Oil pressure still holding strong, and I've done about 4 or 5 full throttles, so and I'm only running a 530 in it, so we're doing good at 42, 44. Let's go get some 93. Just below a half, 40 bucks. It's still climbing a little slowly, but man, it ain't gonna be cheap to be a race car driver. Temp was good, everything is good. Let's get on the road. Baby home. Gonna give her a once over, make sure we still have an engine block with Uncle Rodney out the side. Clean oil pressure's still good, so fingers crossed. All in all, great test drive. I'm super stoked, super stoked. I don't really show emotion that well, obviously, but man, there's no feeling like a turbo. This is what we have here. Everything is still here. No leaks underneath us. Overflow tank is still doing overflow things. A little bit spilled out there. Well, it's because it is a windshield wash fluid that I've converted. Other than that, all looks good. She's toasty. Man, it's so much fun. Love it. I do have exhaust coming for that thing. I got extended, obviously, so I can get it raised up. I have like pretty much a 6-inch bullet muffler, a 3.5-inch for it. Get rid of the raspiness, and I'm gonna extend it about 3 feet and throw some turn downs by the axle. We'll see how loud it is then. If I have to, I'll throw a muffler per side. I'm putting the muffler in the 3.5-inch before it goes into dual 3. So it's not much of a muffler. Let's call it a attempt to muffle. But thanks for watching, guys. Next time you'll see me is probably going to be at the track, and we'll see. Maybe I'll race it. See how spicy I feel. Let's see if I get kicked off for not having a cage for going too fast. Anyway, thanks for taking along. Catch you in the next one.